What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Movie Rockin' Reviews. Now, you probably noticed last week I reviewed that little Mandalorian minifigure, or whatever it's called, and that was on my birthday cake. And I had this from a few years ago. I've had it for a while, and I'm just now putting it on Movie Rockin' Reviews. What it is, it's got a little belt clip right here. It's got a little switch right here for if you turn it on, you get his breathing sound. But yeah, that's what it does. Well, anyway, that about wraps up for today. You can find the Movie Rocker on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, right here on YouTube. I hope you like, subscribe, as well as ring that bell for more Movie Rockin' Reviews. Party on, rock on, and may the force be with you. Yeah.